Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the ServiceMarket mobile app works and whether it's worth using for finding and booking home services such as cleaning, maintenance, and repairs. ServiceMarket is a platform that connects users with local professionals offering a wide range of services including house cleaning, pest control, AC maintenance, plumbing, and electrical work. The app allows users to browse service categories, view provider profiles, compare prices, and read customer reviews before booking. One major advantage of ServiceMarket is its convenience. Users can quickly find vetted and reviewed professionals in their area and schedule appointments directly through the app. The platform also offers transparent pricing, helping users avoid unexpected costs. Another benefit is the app's simple interface that makes searching and booking services straightforward. It supports secure payments and provides real-time updates on service requests and technician arrival times. However, there are some drawbacks. ServiceMarket's availability is primarily focused on specific regions such as the UAE, so users outside these areas may not find relevant providers. Some users report variability in service quality depending on the provider chosen. Additionally, customer support response times can sometimes be slow. Overall, ServiceMarket is a useful app for users in supported regions looking for reliable home services with easy booking and transparent pricing. If you have any questions or notice anything missing, leave a comment. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or other inquiries, refer to the description for email.